Hello students, let's solve this question. To a man running at a speed of 5 meter per second, the raindrops appears to be falling at an angle of 45 degree. So it's given that the man is running with a velocity of 5 meter per second and we can assume it is in horizontal ground. The raindrops are appearing, so the velocity of rain with respect to man is at an angle of 45 degree from the vertical. If the raindrops are actually falling vertically downward, the velocity in meter per second, the velocity of course here man's velocity is already given, then we need to find the velocity of rain. So in order to solve this question, I am assuming that the man is running with a speed of 5 meter per second as given in the question, and the velocity of rain with respect to man, velocity of rain with respect to man is given in question. It is at 45 degree angle with vertical, but velocity of rain with respect to man, it should be velocity of rain minus velocity of man. Now velocity of rain, it's also given in question that raindrops are actually falling vertically downward. So velocity of rain, if I draw it here, it's in downward direction. This is the direction of velocity of rain, but velocity of man is in horizontal direction, and I need to subtract this velocity of man from velocity of rain. In order to subtract it, I can reverse the direction of velocity of man and add it to velocity of rain. The velocity of man is along horizontal direction. I can reverse it in a direction, so it will become minus of velocity of man. Then I may add these two vectors. By parallelogram law of vector addition, two vectors are going to give me this resultant, the diagonal of the parallelogram. And in question it is already given that this relative velocity is 45 degree angle with vertical. This angle is 45 degree. So by this triangle, by this diagram, I can write the tan 45 should be equal to this length by this length. This length is going out to be velocity of man, and this length is going out to velocity of rain. So it should be velocity of rain, velocity of man in magnitude divided by velocity of rain in magnitude. Velocity of man is given is 5, velocity of rain we need to find it out. Tan 45 is 1, so VR should be equal to 5 meter per second. This is the velocity of rain which is falling vertically downward, and in option A it is written here it is 5, so it should be correct. Thank you.